Ever wondered how to whip up a batch of delicious homemade cinnamon rolls? Well, wonder no more. This video is all about demystifying the art of creating these sweet, fluffy pastries right in your own kitchen. So, where do we start? First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. For the dough, you'll need warm milk, melted butter, white sugar, active dry yeast, eggs, and all-purpose flour. To create that iconic cinnamon filling, all you need is brown sugar, softened butter, and of course, ground cinnamon. Now, let's delve into the process. Begin by combining the warm milk, melted butter, and white sugar in a large bowl. Sprinkle the active dry yeast on top and leave it for about 5 minutes until it becomes frothy. This is an important step as it activates the yeast, which is the key to a fluffy dough. Once the yeast mixture is frothy, add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Gradually add the all-purpose flour and mix until you have a soft, sticky dough. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface and knead it for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This is a crucial step in the process as kneading develops the gluten in the flour, giving the rolls their characteristic chewy texture. When your dough is ready, place it in a greased bowl, cover it with a clean kitchen towel and let it rise in a warm place until it has doubled in size. This usually takes about 1 to 2 hours. While the dough is rising, it's time to prepare the filling. Mix together the brown sugar, softened butter, and ground cinnamon until you have a smooth, spreadable paste. Once the dough has risen, punch it down to release the air. Roll it out into a large rectangle, then spread the cinnamon filling evenly over the surface. Roll the dough up tightly from one of the long sides, then slice it into thick rounds. Arrange the rounds on a baking tray, cover them with a kitchen towel and let them rise again until they're puffy. This second rise gives the rolls their final shape and ensures they're light and fluffy. To finish off, bake the cinnamon rolls in a preheated oven until they're golden brown and the filling is bubbling. Let them cool slightly, then drizzle them with a simple icing made from powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making homemade cinnamon rolls. Remember, the key to perfect cinnamon rolls is patience. Allow enough time for the dough to rise, and be gentle when rolling and cutting the dough. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to creating delicious bakery-quality cinnamon rolls right at home.